Count Google Drive files in folders and entire drive. If you're regularly using Google Drive for your school or work purposes, you might have wondered how to count the number of files in a folder. Thankfully, that's really easy. First, open up your Google Drive. Go to a folder to explore its files. Press Ctrl A. You'll get the file count at the bottom left. There's another way as well. Install the Google Drive for desktop. Double-click the Google Drive icon in the File Explorer. Right-click on a folder and select Properties. You can see the file count info. Get information for the entire drive. Open the Google Storage page, link on your screen. drive.google.com/drive/u/0/quota. All files in your Google Drive account will appear. Press Ctrl A. The files count info will be displayed. Tip: delete Google Drive duplicates using Cloud Duplicate Finder.